Hi, my name's Euro. Here at the Polymers Center Materials Lab, we perform thermal, spectral, rheological, and physical characterization to support the plastics industry.
We offer classes on extrusion, injection molding, how to design a plastic part, and how to choose the right material. We offer these classes ourselves and also through trusted partners such as RJG and Paulson. In our molding lab, we have 3 injection molding machines, 2 55-ton machines, and 1 90-ton. We typically run ASTM test samples, but we can also run prototype molds as long as your mold fits in our machine. We don't do production runs, however, because we don't want to compete with our customers.
My name is Tom McHouell. I'm the president of the Polymers Technology Center. The Polymers Technology Center is a subsidiary of the Polymers Center, and we're here to do the manufacturing once the development work is complete.